What's up, guys? It's Brad here at Luna Cycles. We got this cable throttle today. A lot of you guys requested it. It's been out of stock for a while, but we're bringing it back. It's going to be like the ones that were on the 2019 and older Sur-Rons. So we're going to show you how to just install this. It's going to come generally like you see on the table here, disassembled. So we're going to throw it together. First, you're going to need just a little Allen wrench. Take your cable, route this guy through here. Come on, there we go. All right. Next, drop this guy in here. It's going to kind of follow that cable, just like that. Boom. Pop this right in there. All right. Tighten it back up. There you go. All right, and then right here, this is the throttle box. We're gonna do this later, but just for purposes of the video, it's gonna just go in like this. There you go. Now it's going to turn just like that, so you got a traditional cable throttle again.